How to create a 3D cartoon video with AI.
He speaks of his tender bond with a single rose. On Earth, he learns from a fox about taming. The fox teaches him about responsibility. He learns to see with the heart. It's poetic and philosophical.
In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to create a long AI cartoon video using just one single tool. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for your support. Let's get started. First, log into Magiclight. Click on Story to Video. Select the aspect ratio. Select the language of your story. You can create animated videos in 7 different languages, such as Spanish, Arabic, German, and French. Select the story model that will be used to write your story. I choose ChatGPT-4. Then choose the style model. Magiclight has a new model, version 3.0. It has 3 different options. I select the 2.0 model because it's the most popular one and offers more style options. And select the 3D cartoon style. Now it's time to create our story script. If you want, you can use Smart Script and let Magiclight write a story for you. Or you can paste your own ready-made script into the basic script section. After pasting my story here, I select the duration of my animated video. You won't believe this, but Magiclight can create videos up to 50 minutes long. I choose 3 to 5 minutes and click Next. In the next step, a screen opens where I can edit the scenes of my story. You can edit the texts manually, delete the lines you don't like, or copy a line and make different adjustments to your script. After finishing all the changes, I click Next. Characters suitable for my story are generated. At this stage, I can change the characters I don't like or create completely new ones. I only change the voices so that each character has a different voice.
Life was like a box of chocolates.
Then I click Next. Within a few minutes, the storyboard is ready. At this stage, you can regenerate the scene visuals you don't like. To animate the scenes, you can select a video model and animate them one by one or all at once using extra credits. I select one scene and click Animate. Let's see how it turned out. If you choose a better video model, the results will be much better. After completing all the edits in the storyboard, I click Next. I choose how the subtitles will look. In the background music section, I can adjust the volume and listen to the tracks before making my selection. I click Generate and confirm my choices, and the video creation starts. Magiclight also creates a thumbnail for your video. If you want, you can regenerate the thumbnail by choosing from ready-made templates. You can download the thumbnail and use it when uploading your video to YouTube. And now the video is ready. Let's watch it.
In a sun-drenched meadow, Oliver the fox explores, his curiosity piqued by the scent of wildflowers and dreams of adventure. The lush green valley unfolds before him, sparkling rivers weaving through the landscape. A weathered wooden sign emerges from the grass, beckoning Oliver to the path of kind hearts. Oliver's eyes widen with anticipation, his heart pounding with the thrill of the unknown. With a leap, Oliver begins his journey down the hidden path, ready for whatever wonders await. Sunlight dapples the forest path as Oliver walks, the dense canopy casting long, dancing shadows around him. Luna, a deer, appears through the trees, her eyes wide with a palpable fear that pierces the tranquil scene. She stands frozen, a picture of vulnerability, as if lost in the immensity of the ancient woods. Oliver approaches slowly, his movements gentle and reassuring, a soft smile gracing his lips. "Don't worry, we'll find it together," Oliver says, his voice a soothing balm in the tense atmosphere. Relief washes over Luna's face, a subtle shift from fear to tentative trust in her wide, gentle eyes. Sunlight paints the shallow stream as Oliver and Luna stroll, until a soft cry shatters the peace. Luna spots Timmy, a tiny turtle, battling the gentle current. "Oh, the poor thing," she whispers. Oliver guides Timmy onto Luna's back. "There you go, little guy. Hold on tight." Safe on Luna's back, Timmy smiles up at them, his tiny voice filled with gratitude. "Thank you, thank you." Dark clouds loom, shadows engulf the forest as Oliver, Luna, and Timmy find Penny, a bird nest scattered below. Gently, they gather twigs and leaves, rebuilding Penny's nest with care, each action a testament to their teamwork. Together, they lift the nest, securing it onto a strong branch, a collective effort to restore Penny's home. Penny chirps happily, fluttering around them in gratitude, a symphony of thanks for their kindness and care. Golden light floods the valley as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with fire. The friends emerge into a beautiful clearing, where glowing flowers illuminate the tranquil scene. Luna's eyes widen with recognition, a wave of emotion crossing her face as she sees home. A group embrace, a promise of unwavering support and kindness sealing their friendship. Those who travel with kindness will always find their way. Oliver walks toward home, his heart filled with happiness and contentment.
Finally, you can download the video, and if you want, all the images used in the video. If you also want to turn your stories into videos, definitely try this easy AI video tool. I've left the Magiclight link in the description. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.